And this next trouble condition is the date and time. And all this means is that you haven't set the date and time. Anytime the power goes out on this system, it's going to reset the date and time. So you'll have to set this anytime you do a power cycle, or power cuts out and the backup battery dies. Anything like that, you will have to reset the time. And I'm going to show you on both keypads so that you know how to do it. So you can either do it from this menu, just hit star, enter your access code, or what you can do is hit *6 and then your access code or your master code. The default is 1234. And then in the *6 menu, we're going to scroll over one time to the right and go to date and time. And today, let me check the time real quick. It is 9:56, and this is 24-hour format. So we're going to enter 0956, and the date is 04/19/21. So let's go back and double check our trouble code. *2. So now all we're left with is battery trouble and communications. And it updates immediately on both keypads. So now the service required is just gone on this one. So real quick, I wanted to show you how to set the date and time on the touch screen as well. We just did it over there. All I did was power down the system and powered it back up. So it reset the date and time. So we can either do it from the trouble menu by going to service required and then clicking on the loss of clock. It's going to ask you for your tag or enter code. This is just asking for the master code. So here we're going to enter 1234, and it'll take you to this screen. And I'll also show you how to get there from the regular menu without going through the trouble codes if you just want to change it. Hit options and then user functions, and then master code again, 1234. And then this very first option, time and date. Click it, brings us back up. So we'll go ahead and set that. Go down, it's probably quicker. And then the date for 19/21. Click save, and it'll update.